and welcome to Fuse Makeup Maven. Let's rewind a little bit. Okay, so from the very beginning, I started off by applying some clear lash glue to your eyebrows to just keep them in place. So I started off by laying your eyebrows in a straight and upward motion, and then I angled it and slightly tilted it that direction. Okay, so next step, I'm taking my gel eyeliner in a dark brown shade, and I'm just going to add my lining. Okay, so when you're lining your eyebrows, you make sure that you use very little force. Unfortunately, this was my first time doing gel eyebrows, so I kind of messed up, but it's fine. We can work with that. For my beginners, you want to start lining not at the corner of eyebrows, but somewhere there. I promise you this will make your eyebrows look much more natural. So unfortunately, when I filmed this, I had no idea that my camera wasn't recording anything, and so I kind of just went ahead and filled in my eyebrows. So lucky for you guys, I noticed it right on time, and I'm just going to start by filling in my eyebrows in straight and upward motions. Less is always more, so I placed some of the gel liner at the back of my hand, and I kind of just extracted everything from there, and I filled in the rest of your eyebrows. Now taking my concealer from USHAS, I'm just going to conceal. Firstly, I'm cleaning out the arc. I used a lighter shade for this part because I really wanted to highlight her eyebrows, and for the inner corners of her eyebrows, I took a darker shade of concealer, and then I applied it at the beginning of her eyebrows. So now that I'm done with the eyebrow shaping, I just took my damp sponge, and then I started removing the excess product from my face, and that was that. So you might have wanted to hear more, but sadly that was the wrap of how I did my eyebrows. And now for the eyes, I'm just taking my concealer. A good concealer is always like the best base for your eyeshadows. I don't know if it makes sense, but it sure sounded great in my head. And now I'm just spreading the product evenly using that brush. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I went ahead and took my sponge, and then I started blending out the concealer. So you also have to make sure that the concealer is dry before you start any eyeshadow application. So I went ahead and then I started applying an orange shade to the outer corners and very close to the edge of your eyebrows. Okay, some people say that you should start eyeshadow application by first using the darker shade and then moving on to the lighter shade, but I feel like that takes up too much product, and I just went ahead and started blending out my eyeshadow using the lighter shade. I had almost forgotten, but this is an eyeshadow palette from Iman of Noble, and I'm just taking my dark brown pigment and I'm just going to pack it. That motion I'm doing right there is called packing. And now I'm blending out the product. The best thing you can do for your eyeshadow application to up a notch is get some great quality eyeshadow brushes. So this is the final result after blending. Wow, I'm almost tempted to leave them like that, but anyways, I had to go on and continue packing and blending out some of that dark brown pigment to intensify the color of your eyeshadow. And now, taking this eyeshadow palette from Mels, I'm just going to apply my shimmery eyeshadow. It's really golden, and I'm just going to pack it onto your eyelids. Personally, I prefer using my fingers to blend out those shimmery eyeshadows, and it always works out and always looks good when I do it. Yes, we're getting somewhere. Now, taking my liquid eyeliner, I'm just going to draw. Firstly, I think by now you should know that I always draw a basic eyeliner first. By basic, I mean I have to first draw like this straight line, nothing too fancy, nothing serious. And then I ask my client to open her eyes so that I can match her liner with her waterline. Honestly guys, this saves me a lot of work. This technique, I mean, it always makes sure that I have similar wings. Okay, so now for the waterline, I'm just taking my gel liner and I'm just going over and slightly outwards of the waterline. Okay, and now I'm taking my primer and I'm just going to apply it onto her face. So sorry guys, I applied my eyelashes off camera and I'm just taking my glitter eyeshadow palette from Victoria's Season in the shade Bothered, and I'm just going to dab it just a little bit to give my eyeshadow that look. Okay, and a little bit more of that dab, and we're done with the eyeshadow. So now taking my foundation, I did not apply foundation directly onto her face because that would cause my product to build up. Instead, I applied it onto the back of my hand and head my way from there. Okay.
I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
Okay, so now taking a lighter shade of foundation. I could have used concealer, but I just wanted to use the foundation, and then I'm just going to apply it under your eyes, onto your mouth, and onto your chin, and onto the nose of the bridge. Okay, so now I'm taking my loose powder in the shade Banana number 2 from Phoebe, and I'm just going to apply it onto your eyes, onto the chin, and onto the forehead, and also onto the bridge of the nose. Okay. Okay, so now that I'm done with the powder, I'm just going to take my powder blush, and I'm just going to apply it onto your cheekbones and a little bit of some color onto the bridge of the nose, and I'm just going to blend. Okay, and now taking some lip liner, I'm just going to outline the shape of her lips. So I'm now going to set her face using this Fit Me Matte Finish. Taking this lip gloss from Mels Beauty, I'm using the shade dark brown, and I'm just going over the lip liner. The result is that the lips have to look something like that. And now taking this Kylie made lip gloss, Doge K, I'm just going to place it onto the center of the lips and allow her to so for the final part of the lips, I'm taking this Flower Matte Lip Gloss in the shade number 10, and I'm just placing it onto the center of the bottom lip, and I'm just going to let her do the thing again. Okay, so for the highlighter, I'm still taking this from Flower, and yep, you can see the shade, and I'm just going to apply it onto her cheekbones. So guys, this is how we went from this to this. We had so much fun making this, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, I had almost forgotten to add the lip gloss. It's from Absolute Beauty. Anyways, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.